Oh no, that's fine. That's fine. Throw the shoestring and see if he wants to get it. General.
She can't take it. You gotta give him a chance to get it. You gotta give him a chance to get it, baby. Dangle it between the couch and the table. He's not over there.
Yeah. He's over.
He's not over there. He's under the table.
Here, you gotta put it between the couch and the table.
Get it like that.
No, he can't get it. Hurry, 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 hurry.
Bring it down there.
Uh-oh.
He doesn't like that. He's like, I'm out of here.